identifying the prices or indication of prices P naught 1. Here naught or 0 means base year, 1 means current year. Price index number, it's showing the relative changes of base year to current year. It's showing the difference, it's showing the changes of current year to base year. So base year we can indicate in the form of 0. In current year we can indicating the 1. P naught 1, it is a indication of price index number. So quantity index number we can denote as a Q naught 1. So naught means base year, 1 means current year, Q means quantities. So next value we can indicating V naught 1. 0 means base year, 1 means current year. So price, quantity and value, it will be changes, relative changes we have to representing in the form of numbers. In the form of numbers is called as an index numbers. Is called as an index numbers. There are 3 types of index number. Price index number, it's giving importance for price. In quantity index number, it's giving importance for countable numbers, quantities, production of a product. So it's giving importance for numerical values. Next value, it's giving importance for total amount or money. It is also variation from one unit to the another unit based on the price and quantities. So these are the types of index number. Okay students, I think did you understand the meaning of index number and types of index number? Next we should know about the first concept in the types of index number, price index number. Price index number. Under the price index number, there is a 2 types of price index number. We can classify it into 2 types. First one is unweighted price index number. Second one is weighted price index number. Unweighted price index, it is also known as a simple price index number. It is also known as a unweighted and simple, both are same. In unweighted price index number, again we are classified into 2 types. Unweighted aggregative price index number. Unweighted aggregative price index number. Second one is unweighted average price index number. So unweighted price index number we can classify it into 2 types. Unweighted aggregative price index number, another one is unweighted average price index number. Next, weighted price index we can classify it into 2 types. First one is weighted aggregative price index number. Second one is weighted average average price index number. So once again we have to know about the classification of price index number. Price index number we can classify it into two types. Unweighted price index number, it is also known as a simple price index number, and second one is weighted price index number. Unweighted price index number we can classify it into two types, unweighted aggregative price index and another one is unweighted average price index number. Average price index number we can classify into two types, arithmetic mean price index number, second one is geometric mean price index number. In unweighted average price index number, again we are classified into two types, arithmetic mean price index number, second one is geometric mean price index number. In weighted price index number we can classify it into weighted aggregative price index number, weighted average price index number. So they are already classified into two types. These are the related to the problematic. In this chapter is very important for 18 marks, very important for 18 marks, 1 mark 1 question, 2 marks 1 question and 5 marks 1 question and 10 marks 1 question. This chapter is very important for 18 marks. So these are the classification of price index. So once again we have to know about that, what are the topics we are covered. So meaning of index number, next types of index number, price index, quantity index and value index, and next we should know about the, we already know discussed about the price index number, classification of price index number. These are the problem oriented solutions, formula oriented solutions. These are the formula oriented solution problems we will be discussed in the next class. Thank you students. Like, share and give subscription about my videos. Thank you.